Understanding Job Evaluations, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic in the professional world, job evaluations. Whether you're a student, a job seeker, or currently employed, understanding this concept is crucial. Let's explore what job evaluations are and why they matter. Job evaluation is a systematic process used by organizations to determine the relative worth of a job in comparison to others. It's not about evaluating the person doing the job but the job itself. Factors like responsibility, skills required, and working conditions are considered. This helps in ensuring fairness and equity in pay and career progression. Job evaluations play a critical role in human resource management. They ensure fair and equitable salary scales, help in structuring the organization effectively, aid in career development by providing clear career paths, serve as a basis for negotiating salaries and raises. The process typically involves several steps. 1. Job analysis, gathering detailed information about the job. 2. Job description, documenting the duties, responsibilities, and qualifications. 3. Job rating, assessing the job using a predetermined scale. 4. Comparing jobs, placing the job in the organization's hierarchy. 5. Salary determination, aligning job worth with appropriate compensation. There are several methods, each with its advantages. Ranking method, simplest form, ranking jobs from highest to lowest. Classification method, grouping jobs into predefined categories. Point method, assigning points to job factors and totaling them. Factor comparison, comparing jobs by key factors and assigning monetary values. Job evaluations are essential in the professional world, impacting not just salaries but also career growth and organizational structure. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this important concept better. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.